Did you say anything to them when they came out of there off the field?
I said something after the 3-run inning, and that didn't work. And then I said something after the 7-run inning as to it is what it is. It's part of life. Bad things happen. I don't know if we can come back. I know we can play good baseball. So let's not look at the mountain. Let's win the inning. Let's just play good baseball, and we did. At least the last 5 innings, we didn't quit. We competed. We put together some rallies. And I guess what it told me was it gave me an opportunity to get guys in the game, get guys an opportunity to play, and we got Ratajczyk his one at bat, as well as a handful of guys.
You face 2 left-handed pitchers here. You're kind of a left-handed dominated lineup, and it also neutralizes the running game to some extent. Do you need to seek a little different balance?
Well, we had to beat a really good lefty in the regional in Miami, and then we had to beat a really good lefty in Nashville. So the reality is these teams at this time of the year, they all seem to have a really good lefty. So some years you have a few more lefties in the lineup, some years you have a few more righties. We got to be able to handle both. And that's why if you pitch and play defense, you have a chance to win every game. And we just didn't do that today. We didn't pitch and play good enough defense to give ourselves a chance to win.
That moment with Nick, that stand out to you and the guys as much as
Ratajczyk? Yeah. I mean, he's such a leader on the team, and it was nice that the fans recognized it. The fans recognized. We wanted him to have an at bat in Omaha, and if you notice, he got the second. He reached down, picked up the dirt, and wiped it on his jersey. So again, very happy for the kids. Disappointed in today's performance, but not disappointed in this team at all. Just very happy and proud of them.
It's been called the year of the Cardinals. You all were the last team playing. I know you're right in it, but can you kind of encapsulate what's going on at U of L this year?
Oh, we're just glad that we were able to contribute, so when people talk about the special year, we might not be the headline, but at least we'll be in the discussion. Going to Omaha is a big deal, should be a big deal for our fans, for the media, for all you guys and girls, and we hope to bring Cardinal Nation back again real soon.
On that note, you said we will win a national championship at Louisville. What does this, do as far as laying the footwork for things in the future? You got to get kids to believe, administration, fans, players. You got to get everybody to believe. I think, in basketball, everybody believes that we can win a national championship, and we're getting there in baseball, and so it's a process. It just doesn't happen overnight, and I feel good about where our baseball program's at, and we'll continue to educate our fans and educate our players and the whole Cardinal Nation that, just stay behind us. It's okay. You can get mad. You can get upset when we don't play well, but in the end, be behind us, because we're going to do everything in our power to get back here and win a national championship.
Obviously, you guys wish you were still playing, but since the season's done, what's up next for the coaching staff?
Yeah, we don't get a break.
Yeah.
I'm always jealous of Patino because I think he gets to go to Miami or wherever for a week or so. We got the draft. We got about 6-7 kids drafted. We got to sit down and talk. We have camp, 2 big weeks of camp coming up. And recruiting never ends, and this is a huge recruiting time for us. So we'll get back to the road and make sure that the future is bright, and the future, as I always believe in coaching, it'll be here before you know it. So you better prepare for it, and our coaches are, and we're preparing for it.
Grant, different semantically, but you almost echoed Howard Schnellenberger, where he said that Louisville will win a title. The only variable is time. I mean, is that the kind of thinking that you're thinking?
Yeah, I mean, I believe more now as a coach, than I did in 07, because we got back here. And I think it's my job as the head coach. I have to dream very big, and I have to do everything to make that dream a reality. It's got to start with me, and I guess Tom Jurich. And so I know Tom wants to, and I want to, and I believe we can. So just got to make sure our coaches, our players, but also, like I said, our fans. We need the support of a lot of people to win a national championship. You can't do it by yourself.
So hopefully we'll continue to get that support and be a little more comfortable in this environment and be able to handle it a little better next time.